This my Mario can move, and this is the ladder object. I couldn't find the ladder in my files, so I inserted this. I have this character here with tank controls. As you can see, there's a green circle around the two players. Claire Redfield model from Models Resources website. And hello and welcome to Linelink Game Dev. And today I've done some interesting stuff that I will show you. First of all, I want to show you the new project prototype that I made last night. And if I be able to implement this in 3D, it would be really nice. I have this character here with tank controls. As you can see, there's a green circle around the two players, and player 2 can move by a mouse touch or touch. I made it in Construct3, and this circle limits the both players to stick with each other. And as you can see, I can move here, and I've done it with math and stuff. This would be really nice way to make survival horror games that I have in my mind. I hope I can do it someday. Co-op couch games, multiplayer games are really fun, and I think this might actually work. Another thing is that a little thing that I imported in Blender, which I like it. I downloaded a Claire Redfield model from Models Resources website, and it looks really nice, and I hope I can do animations and stuff. I don't know how to do rigging and stuff, and I will learn them when I get to 3D part of Godot. Okay, let's get to Godot, update, devlog, whatever I've done. And this is my list of what do you say? This is my log, and the first thing I did was put Mario origin point to its down center, which means that I've changed my player origin point, which is down center here. I like it this way because it allows me to snap my player precisely on things. Another thing was that put all physics process codes into functions. Here is my everything function, physics process. In Godot I have gravity ladder. I put them all into separate functions, and I can find them all really easily like this. Gravity ladder check, input check, animation function, and this is default function for Godot. Another thing was that bug that I fixed is on floor function variable or boolean wasn't working. Suddenly my player couldn't detect that it's on the floor, and it caused problems for me. And I checked the internet and forums, and I find a way that character body 2D, this plugin, the up direction value of its y value, I set it to -1. I think yeah, it fixed the problem. Like here, if is on floor, checks if my player is on the floor. And the last thing was the ladder object here. I can check if we are hitting the ladder, and it's like this. My Mario can move, and this is the ladder object. I couldn't find the ladder in my files, so I inserted this this plant here as ladder. And for now my code makes Mario jump, which you can see as normal jump. I can jump here, and when I collide with this flower or ladder object, Mario keeps jumping in a small height for now. And I've done this by using raycast object. Here is the ladder check, which is here, and it should be collide with areas here, as you can see. And of course the collision mask is set to layer 1, which is world, and in my world the ladder object belongs to layer 1, which is world also. But as I said before, my enemies belong to the second layer, which are characters. I can jump and it dies. I had another character here. Okay, so this was all the updates for today, and thanks for watching.